Thank you for considering me for this role of the YESS Global Ambassador. This is Kanto and I'm honored to have this opportunity to serve our alumni community. With my expertise and skills, I am confident in my ability to represent our values, mission and vision on various platforms. I have strong background in advocacy, demonstrated through my roles as a PTTC and Serve Smart advocacy champion. I am dedicated to advocating for our causes and our initiatives at all levels. You can trust me to excel in networking and building relationships, which are crucial for connecting all of us and fostering a supportive community. My strategic planning and implementation skills, honed through my experience as a co-leader in policy and project implementation, will ensure our initiatives are aligned with our goals and deliver measurable results. I'm also experienced in event coordination and participation, ensuring our events are impactful and inclusive. Also, my adaptability and my cultural sensitivity will help engage diverse groups within our alumni network. For the next 2 years, I plan to significantly strengthen our alumni network by creating more opportunities for us to lead, grow, and more impact. That is already a big result area, but I aim to extend our reach by organizing trimestral activities specifically for alumni. Additionally, I will also advocate for a face-to-face gathering, not just for a simple meeting, but for impactful activities that bring us together and drive positive change. Thank you for your trust and confidence. Together, we can make great things more than we think and make lasting impact for her world. Thank you.
She is one of our young leaders, creative, responsible, and dare to face challenges.
Kat is a dynamic and persuasive advocate. She can effectively stand for alumni's causes and can bravely take action.
And I'm here to appeal for the votes for Kanto Fijarana. She is an exemplary candidate. She has the guiding spirit at heart, and you can see it in the way she talks, in her actions, and in the way she supports us, YESS Participants 2024. Please vote for Kanto. Thank you.
I would like to recommend Kanto. She is a hard worker and so supportive. Kanto is a team player. She has a passion for helping others. Thank you.
Kanto is the perfect global ambassador. She's open-minded, always seizes opportunity and takes decisive action. Her reliability and proactive approach make her a leader people can trust and lean on. Thank you.
Kanto embodies the perfect blend of expertise and potential. With her fresh energy, she can truly represent all alumni, bringing a dynamic perspective to the table. She's the ideal fit for this role. Please vote for her.